Hey there, YouTubers. Digger coming at you from the ambulance. Yes, I am sleeping in the ambulance. And yes, I love it. But as you can tell, I've got some plywood up there done and got a lot of Baltic birch up here on the sidewalls. And I found a lady that has this Baltic birch for $6 a board. It's 3/8 and it's like 22 by 43 or something like that, or 45. But $6 a sheet. I'll buy those all day long. So, but we've been busy. I'm trying to hook up all my electrical stuff. Like I say, everything in here I'm going to run off of EcoFlow or Jackery stuff. I did put 200 of my 300 watts of solar up on the roof today. It's just laying up there, but we'll get that. Excuse me. Worry about getting that all mounted later and everything. But like I say, I'm working on all the electrical, trying to get everything figured out as far as where I'm putting the puck lights in the ceiling, where I'm going to put the LEDs in the ceiling, where I'm putting the projector. You're going to see that here in a second, because the projector is up and running right now. I'm sitting here watching probably a 60-inch flat screen. So, but I'm trying to figure out where all the wiring is going to go before I start, putting in the ceiling stuff, because I have to. I've insulated this whole ceiling now. Now it looks like crap, but it's insulated, and that was pretty much an all-day job on Sunday. But I need to figure out where I'm going to put everything. That way I can run the wires, and then I'm going to put 1/4-inch plywood up on the ceiling, paint it flat black or satin black, one or the other, and then I'm going to get this Baltic birch. And I'm going to set it up on the table saw, and I'm going to cut probably 3-inch wide sections. I'm going to put those all up there with about a 3/4-inch gap in between them, and do a slat ceiling. And in that black gap is where I'm going to put some LED light strips, because that'll brighten everything up when I don't want to use the puck lights. And somebody keeps asking why I can also, it's RGB, so I can make it dance in here. But, alright, so let me flip this camera. What do you think about that? That's my flat screen, and I've got this remote right here that I can raise and lower. I don't know if you can tell that right down here, that's lowering. Stop, and I gotta figure out my buttons. But I bought that projector screen a long time ago when I bought the projector, knowing that this is what I wanted to do. So right now I've got the projector mounted up there on the ceiling temporarily. I know that it was sitting a little bit at a cockeyed thing, so I had to put a box in here to straighten out the picture. But we'll get that taken care of and everything. I've got, like I say, I've got 200 watts of the 300 on the ceiling now, or on the roof now. They're going right up in here is where I'm going to mount them at. And the fun part about this is all their beers. Like I say, all this stuff is all insulated, and yes, I had to cut these. This is 2-inch foam board, and in order to get them behind all this stuff, I had to cut small pieces, put them up in here, and tap them with a hammer and get them up in there until this one got to about there, and then put up the next one and tap it in until it collided with that one. So it took all day, but all that stuff is all in and working now. And I did put up my blinds in here, so I've got all gray blinds and back there on the back doors and everything. You can tell I still have a lot of my tools in here and everything, but like I say, this has got that flip up top for the laptop and everything to sit underneath there, and gave me a little workstation.
They have the Chase My, so Golden Retriever Pale Ale, the Chase My Tail Pale Ale,
back here,
the Squirrel Chaser, which is a hazy pale ale.
you can see that. I'm not getting up off the bed.
I won't name the name of the press. I'll just read
I do
it
have
to you. So they have beers called
the refrigerator mounted and the
Chase My Tail,
microwave all mounted in.
High Five, which
So
is what I have.
those are all good.
Pack Leader.
Oh, excuse my finger. Sorry.
Rescue Logger, and then a bunch of some dog related.
Yeah, so little by little, like I say, you know, this whole wall is now Baltic birch, as they say. And temporarily I've got one light in here, but I mean, if I turn it off, it'd be a little bit dark in here. So we're just dealing with the one light, and I'll turn that off to watch TV because that big flat screen puts off enough light for me to see everything in here. But okay, thought I'd let everybody know what's going on, and
there you go,
I was just sitting here watching my new flat screen TV and wanted to show it off. So that's all we got for today. We will catch you on the flip side, and remember, the party is going to start here shortly. Catch y'all on the flip side. Digger is out.